Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. This is how you build a brick barbecue. Start by mixing your mortar, 4 sand, 1 cement, add a bit of dye. Set it out on the floor. You're going to need a solid base to work off. Lay the first course of your Forterra engineering bricks, checking that it's square and level. Continue your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th course. Every 3 or 4 courses, make sure you point the brickwork before it dries. Give it a quick brush off. When you get to the 8th course, this is where you're going to step out with your brickwork to hold the barbecue. You do the same on the 10th course, this will hold the grill. And again on the 12th course. When you've got to the desired height, spread some cement over the top, smooth this off, and give it a quick rub down with a sponge. And it's complete. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.